In this course, we are going to talk about the emotional reasons that keep you from doing what you want to do. And we're going to eliminate them with emotional freedom techniques. Anytime somebody wants to make a decision or a choice and they get stuck in procrastination or fear or guilt or fear of success, fear of failure, whatever the emotion might be, I'm trying to think, anxiety, which is a subset of fear. Anytime somebody has an emotional reaction before they make a decision, we're going to take that emotional reaction out with emotional freedom techniques. This is a course where you will learn to use emotional freedom techniques to eliminate all the reasons that things get in the way for you emotionally so that you can proceed with what you want, free and clear, that you will have focus and clarity with any decisions and any choices that you make after using the EFT or the tapping. I'm really glad to bring this to you. So we are going to begin.